the brand new NBA season is up and running, and we have not yet addressed Lebron James effectively destroying his chances of joining or even surpassing Michael Jordan as the GOAT, because LeBron himself has endorsed a roster without shooting or athleticism and with Russell Westbrook. With this roster, LeBron cannot win another NBA title. LeBron now has 4 rings. He won the bubble ring in 2020. He blew up the championship team and went for Westbrook. One of the worst legacy decisions in NBA history. LeBron James is 37, going on 40. And with the window rapidly closing on his title-winning chances, right now, the Lakers are struggling to win a game, much less to make the playoffs, much less to win one more title, much less to win another title, to get on par with Jordan 6 titles. LeBron supposed to be kicking himself for basically wasting the last 2 seasons. He must be asking himself, with so many young, lethal shooters and scorers all around the league, why, God, why? Please tell me why you send Russell Westbrook. Father God, why you send Russell Westbrook? Why Westbrook? Why?